boy Tony Stewart is after Logano.
Well, I did see some punches thrown today. You can't say they're just pushing each other. Not sure what went on between Stewart and Logano.
Now, Stewart could have been reacting to the restart, where Logano came way down the track to block Tony, who had a run on the inside.
Tony, what angered you at the end of the race? What did you take issue with?
What the hell do you think I was mad about? Dumb little runs us clear down to the infield. He wants to about everybody else, and he's the one that drives like a little. I'm gonna bust his ass.
Thanks, Tony.
Thank you.
Joey, here's the restart. We just spoke to Tony Stewart. He was really angry. Tell us what happened on the restart.
Yeah, I mean, I had to throw the block there. That was a race for the lead, and I felt like if the 14 got underneath me, that was going to be the end of my opportunity to win the race. So I was just trying to protect the spot I had, and I was actually pedaling because I couldn't keep the 18 to the line. I was actually faster than the 18 getting the tires hooked up. And then, you know, I'm trying to stagger myself, make sure I don't beat him to the line, and then I had to block the 14th run because I was pedaling it. So I'll talk to him, and we'll see what happens. But, you know, I don't know where I think he finished decent, so we'll talk about it some more.